Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use bibliographies and how to make an in-text citation. So in order to do that, what you want to do is you want to go to the page that you're interested in. So let's say we were editing the BAT page. If we go to edit and we type in some generic sentence, this is a generic sentence, if we can spell, that I want to make an in-text citation for, period. So let's say we want to put an in-text citation right here where my cursor is. So the first thing we do is we go to Bibliography on the left-hand side under Project Links. So you want to open this up in a new tab. If you go to that tab, you'll see there's a whole host of bibliographies that are already in. This is our ideas database for bibliographies. That means every single bibliography that we've ever used or every single reference that we've ever used is stored in this database. So if you want to add a new one, you want to go to the left-hand side under Create Entry. In there, you want to select which kind of reference type you're going to be using. So for this example, let's say we're making a book entry. So you click on book and you'll see this whole host of different entries that you want to fill in. So first off, if we fill in author, let's say it's by Smith Jones, make sure that the last name comes first and that it's capitalized, and then the first name is not all capitalized. So title, we just say book title, edition, let's say it's the first edition. Make sure when you type this in, you type first like 1ST, second as in 2S, 2ND, etc., etc. Address, let's say this is London, UK, publisher, Oxford Publishing, year 2010, and then just leave everything the way it is. So we go to save, and what you'll see is that we've now created a new entry, Smith 2010. So the thing you want to concern yourself with after this is done is you want to concern yourself with this right here. This is what's called the bibliography tag. This is what you're going to need to make an in-text citation. So if I copy this, copy, go back to the page that we were editing, what we want to type in now is bibref, put in the tag, and then end the bibref with this slash. What this is going to say now to the wiki is we are using this reference that we have just created. And so that means in our final report, instead of outputting all of these references that we had before, or sorry, all the references that we had in our database, we're just going to output the ones that are referenced in our report. So to finish this off, what we have to do is we have to make the in-text citation, and the format for this is last name, Smith, and then the year. And so this means that when this prints out in our final report, all you're going to see is this sentence plus Smith 2010 without this bibref stuff. Okay, so once you've typed it like that, you click Save Page, and now you have, this is a generic sentence that I'm going to make an in-text citation for with the in-text citation here, and then we have this little 1 here. And so when we go to put this in the final report, this 1 will tell the computer that we are using this reference that we have just created, and so in the reference section, it's going to include that reference. So that is pretty much it for how to make an in-text citation and how to make a bibliography entry. If you want to later on go ahead and delete a bibliography entry, it's very easy. All you do is you find the one that you're interested in. So let's say we want to delete Smith 2010. We edit it, highlight it all, hit delete, save, and now that entry is completely gone. So that means if we go back to the BAT page that I just made, this entry will no longer exist. Okay? So that has been a tutorial on how to create, delete references and how to add in-text citations. Thanks for watching.